Now you just see, you listen carefully. I will read the paras. The house, the only one in the entire village, sat on the crest of a long hill. So where is the house? And it is on the top of a hill, and it is the only house in that whole village. From this height, one could see the river and the field of ripe corn dotted with the flowers that always promised a good harvest. From the height, so it is the house is at the height of a top of a big hill, and from there, if you stand and watch, you can see the corn fields, where the paddy fields down. So it is a very high portion. The only thing the earth needed was a downpour or at least a shower. Shower means rain. So now the harvest, the full field is there, and it is very dry, and all the farmers are waiting only for the downpour. Downpour means rain. All are waiting for the rain, because when the rain comes, only with the first drop of the rain, what they can see, the coming up of the corns. So they all are waiting for that. Throughout the morning, Lengo is the farmer who knew his field ultimately. He knows about his field. Ultimately means everything, finally. Why he knows about his field finally? Because he had seen that only the rain can bring corns in the field. Only that means when the fields are very dry, we have to give the water. Seeds are being sowed over there, and only with the water, what can come out? The plants can come out. And so they are waiting for the rain. Had done nothing else but see the sky towards the northeast. So Lengo sitting at the top of the hill and looking all around, he could see the dry fields, and the only thing he wanted is, now who has to come? The rain has to come. The Maya. Now we are really going to get some water, woman. So he thought, because in the dark clouds, we can say what? The rain will be coming within a short time. The woman who was preparing supper replied, yes, God willing. That means if God is willing to give us rain, then what will come? Rain will come. The older boys were working in the field while the smaller ones were playing near the house until the woman called to them all, come for dinner. So the smaller children are playing and the elder ones are doing their work, and they all are waiting for the rain, and this lady is the person who is giving food for them. It was during the meal that, just as Lengo had predicted means he had said, big drops of rain began to fall. So little before only Lengo said that what has to come? The rain has to come. So while they are having dinner, suddenly he heard the downpour of the rain, small drops coming down to the ground. In the northeast, huge mountains of clouds could be seen approaching. The dark clouds can be seen coming forward. The air was fresh and sweet. The man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. So everyone started going out. Even Lengo started going out, because after a long time, what had come? The rain had come, and they all wanted to feel the rain. When he returned, he explained, these aren't raindrops falling from the sky, they are new coins. So what did he say? What did he compare the raindrops? As new coins, because waiting for the rain means waiting for something pleasure. So he considered that what is falling from the sky as the new coins. The big drops are 10-cent pieces and the little ones as a 5. So the big drops are considered as the 10 paisa, and the small drops are considered as a 5 paisa. So this is the comparison of the raindrops according to Lengo. With a satisfied expression, he regarded the field of ripe corns with his flowers draped in a curtain of rain. So very soon, the raindrops had started, and and the whole field was covered with the water. But suddenly a strong wind began to blow. So while the rain showering was going on, suddenly the atmosphere had changed. Started storm coming. And along with the rain, very large hailstones began to fall. What do you mean by hailstones? Alipada. It began to fall down. So that is a great damage for the cultivation. That means for the fields. Because if that hailstone starts falling, all will get destroyed. These truly did resemble no silver coins. So he considered that hailstones as silver coins. So before he had said that the big raindrops as 10 paisa and the small ones as 5. Now he had considered the hailstones as silver coins. And silver coins, it is little harder than the other one. The boys, exposing themselves to the rain, ran out to collect the frozen flakes. So all the children who were playing there, when the hailstones started falling down, they all ran to collect those ice. It is really getting bad now, exclaimed the man. So suddenly Lengo understood, falling of hailstone is not good for the cultivation. I hope it passes quickly. So still he was having that confidence. After some time it will go. It did not pass quickly, but it did not go. It was still going on. For an hour the hail rained on the house, the garden, the hillside, the cornfield, on the whole valley. Within short time, the whole valley was filled with the hailstone. That means everywhere, instead of water, it seems to be ice on every places. The field was white as it covered with the salt. So the whole field, he could see that it was fully covered in white color. Why it is in white color? Because of the fallen hails. Hails of Alipadu, it is fully seen to be standing there like ice. So the whole field was covered with the ice. Instead of raindrops, it was fully ice. Not a leaf remained on the leaf, so everything started falling down. The corn was totally destroyed, the field was totally destroyed, and what they have waited for the harvest now fully destroyed. The flowers had gone from the plants, everything had fallen down. Lengo's soul was filled with sadness. Who felt very unhappy? Lengo. Because he was waiting for the rain. The day had started with the rain, but all of a sudden that had changed and the hailstone had fallen, and because of the hailstone the whole cultivation was destroyed. When the storm had passed, he stood in the middle of the field and said to his sons, "A plague of locusts would have left more than this. The hall has left nothing. This year we will have no corn." So what he said, it was a great disaster, a great plague. Plague means a spreading disease. It is like a spreading disease which has destroyed the whole people and the whole area. Now about the coronavirus, how it is destroying the whole world, people in the whole world. That means the whole world is under destruction. Similarly, he said it is more than that. So this year we will not get any result. We will not be able to do any cultivation. Everything has been destroyed. That night was a sorrowful one. That means he could not spend the night happily because everything had destroyed. His whole dream had destroyed. All our work for nothing. So throughout the whole year they were working for this time, and now everything had gone within a short time. There is no one who can help us. We will all go hungry this year. So he was having that confidence, saying that now this year we will have no food. That means we will die of starving. So starvation, poverty will be there and no food will be there, and we people in this village has to die without food because the whole field had destroyed. So now we come to the end of the first part of the lesson. So in the first part of the lesson we understood that he was waiting for the cultivation, but at the last moment the whole cultivation has been destroyed due to the hailstones, and that poor farmer could not live long. So he thought that the whole people in that village will die due to this. So we have come over there and remain. So 4 questions are based on that first part, and that I will explain you in the next class.